Adding a debit card to your US bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. Follow these steps to successfully add your debit card. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the account settings, look for an option that says Add Debit Card or Manage Debit Cards. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter card information. You will be prompted to enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Fill in all required fields accurately. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your card information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Submit button to finalize the addition of your debit card. Now you have successfully added your debit card to your US bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.